Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Fujifilm X-T50 versus Fujifilm X-S20. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. And watch the video till the end. Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about sensor. T50 provided 26.1 MP APS-C, X-Trans CMOS4 sensor, and it is also provided by S20, so both are equal. Now let's look at the processor. T50 provided X processor 4 and S20 provided X processor 5, so S20 is better. Now let's look at the autofocus. T50 provided hybrid AF 425 points autofocus, and it is also provided by S20, so both are equal. Now let's look at the continuous shooting speed. T50 provided 20 fps electronic shutter, and it is also provided by S20, so both are equal. Now let's look at the video resolution. T50 provided 4K at 30 fps video resolution, and S20 provided 6.2K at 30 fps video resolution, so S20 is better. Now let's look at the screen. T50 provided 3.0 inch 1.04 m dot tilt LED screen, and S20 provided 3.0 inch 1484 m dot vari-angle LCD screen, so S20 is better. Now let's look at the viewfinder. T50 provided 2.36 m dot OLED EVF viewfinder, and in S20 it is not available, so T50 is better. Now let's look at the ISO range. In T50, 160, 12800, expandable to 80, 51200 ISO range, and it is also available on S20, so both are equal. Now let's look at the battery life. In T50, 380 shots CIPA battery life is available, and in S20, 750 shots CIPA battery life is available, so S20 is better. Now let's look at the build and design. The build and design of T50 is compact, lightweight, classic design, and the build design of S20 is compact, lightweight, modern style, so T50 is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of T50 is generally lower, and the price of S20 is generally higher, so T50 is better for budget-friendly users. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.